you can see, version 3 KWs. This, to me, is like a dream come true.
Car porn.
Car porn. I've only ever done it for other people. But now it's my turn. Okay. Some more tape, like a Russian doll. At the end, big quick like Christmas. Wow.
What's that?
It's your tool
Tool
for your
kit.
adjustment size. So, clips off. That's your ride height adjustment, that is. That's your rebound key. Okay, instructions. Oh, we even have some
Stickers.
stickers there. You look at this.
No.
Might have to pop up on stickers somewhere.
Oh, put them in your garage.
Yeah, in my garage. Wow. I bet Ben will enjoy
Tinkering.
tinkering with some with these, you know what I mean? It's like having some nice pieces of
Yeah, we'll
art to
appreciate
it.
the.
Yeah,
You'll appreciate.
like me. So I think they need to go on to the top before the ball kit goes on.
Wow.
Wow.
Even I'm impressed. No way, them are cool, man. Oh, wow.
Wow. Stainless steel. Wow. That's sick. What? That is gorgeous. Look at that. There's your height adjustments. Wow. That's stunning.
Your little face.
See, I don't completely understand them myself just yet. I will look into them. But they're beautiful. Wow, that is awesome. These rears look like. Oh wow. Put the DLC right off. Don't really like DLC. No good for nothing. But yeah, well, I'll stick with the Audi until they fucking charge me £1,000. Tell me what it is, what's wrong with my car. A fucking £1,000. Cheeky bastards.
Yeah. Got a leak on the suspension. They've charged us £1,000 to see what it is.
I've got a leak on my suspension.
You fucking cunts.
Oh wow, they're beautiful. Wow, and all these are these bushes are even made of a different material as well. Polycarbonate, that's it. Polycarbonate bushes, just last forever. Wow, that is a beautiful bit of kit.
Well, it's better be worth the money.
Ah, it's worth the bloody money, don't get me wrong. Wow.
It's a typical wife thing saying that one. Yeah, I'm impressed, babe.
Yeah. Wow,
yeah, they look that impressive, eh?
You've got this. This is your compression and rebound shot there. Wow. It is just a beautiful piece of kit there, especially 100 quid. But there's so much development and testing what's gone into.
Well,
these.
it's top of the range,
yeah, top of the range.
aren't they?
It's touring core. What they're using touring cores, KW all over your touring cores.
Well, you've had something else as well.
Yes.
Thanks, Demon Tweeks.
Demon Tweeks.
Best price.
What are you waiting for a special price?
Special price, Demon Tweeks.
Okay. Them.
Oh, that's my phone. You get.
Well, I think it's.
Just press done.
It's impressive, don't it?
Yeah, it's cool.
H&R, only the best. Only the bloody best, man. It's Christmas. It's cold.
Well, it's your birthday in 2 weeks.
Yeah, there you go. It's your birthday present.
Yeah.
It's your birthday present.
For show.
Yeah, definitely do. Only blue as well.
Oh.
There's one Bosch me mountain kits. See, the other bars are quite thin. Anti-roll bars. Wow. These.
So what car is this for?
An Audi RS4, a B7.
2006. So she needs updating now, doesn't she? It's 2019 now.
Yeah, you find that the DRC suspension and an Audi want £4,500 put it right. It's a bit of a joke. I'm not prepared to pay that sort of money. Obviously I've got a couple of quid to have a car like that, but I aren't that rich.
Yeah, we've already spent quite a bit on her already, haven't we? But
Look at the front.
oh wow.
Oh my god. God, that's a beast. What? Wow. God. That is, you know, that is just the right part on the car. Okay. Shall I thank Father Christmas?
Oh, thank yourself, babe. You work so hard. Do you work hard, don't you? Still in his bloody work stuff. Oh, what time is it? 10 o'clock on a Friday night. Bless you.
Okay, brilliant.
Hey.
I'm a happy man.
Oh.
Dead happy.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this bit of kit here.
It's had to be done, doesn't it? It's got to be done sometime, honest. So.
Yeah, not like, you know,
Yeah.
this is what everybody has to do, but then they don't go all out and buy this, just buy like what they can get away with. So
No. But
lucky that
yeah, she's having the
that's
best.
she's having the best. So
Yeah.
I think it's a bit of a blessing that.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Happy man.
I'm happy. It's me car.
Good.
I'm dead happy.
I'm crying. No, I do
You're
know.
an amazing wife, that's what it is.
Oh, thanks, babe. But no, I do appreciate we need it done. So, and we love her. She's our baby.
Yeah, she's staying with us forever.
She's our baby. All right, see you.